The Longeye MOLD2 electric piano kit features an elegant wooden structure that integrates seamlessly into any home decor, making it both a musical instrument and a stylish piece of furniture. With its full-size semi-weighted keys, this digital piano offers a realistic touch response that closely mimics the feel of an acoustic piano, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. The advanced Dream sound source and dual 10-watt speakers ensure the MOLD2 delivers exceptional audio quality with deep resonance and authentic tones. Featuring 380 tones, 128 rhythms, and 80 demo songs, this piano encourages creativity and experimentation for musicians at any level. Connectivity is a breeze with the MOLD2, offering dual headphone jacks for private practice and Bluetooth MIDI for seamless integration with mobile devices. The intuitive control panel allows for easy management of various functions, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to expand their musical horizons.